Hi, welcome to Vasol Tarot Predictions, my dear fire signs Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. Why Leo? Because I am a Leo, okay? So, here, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the collective reading for the month of May 2020, and yeah, I hope this resonates with you. Before that, I want to tell you that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link of Google Pay and PayPal is given in the description box below. I'll be appreciating it if you will donate. And if you want to book one-on-one session with me, kindly check out the description box. You can book all the booking details is given in the description box below. If you want to support my channel, you can also donate. I'll be grateful to you. Also, one more thing, if you want to learn 10 want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop, you can check out the description box below. The details are given over there, how to enroll it, what's the procedure of it. Also, one more thing, we are giving May giveaways, like so hashtag Vasol giveaways. Okay, so there are steps given in the description box below. I'll be providing 5 personal readings who are completing all the steps for the hashtag Vasol giveaways, okay, for the month of May. So the result will be announced at the end of the May. Okay, so yeah, guys. Okay, so this reading is for fire signs. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, let's check it out. What's going on with it? Let's check it out. One more shuffling, and then let us do. Wow, I got your energy, fire signs. Wow, that's cool. Nice. Okay, so fire signs, you are removing all the obstacles in your life. Sagittarius, Aries, and Leos, you are removing all the obstacles and problems in your life. You are moving towards your happiness, which is money, which is financial gain, which is lot of happiness which you get from your career life. So you are moving forward in your career. You will be entering into a phase where you are thinking about your career. Okay, you are releasing all the negative energies. You are releasing all the problems which was in your head. You were trapped in your head about something or someone, so you are releasing all those problems, obstacles into your head or around you. You are moving forward towards your happiness. The ultimate happiness is you yourself. Okay, so you are moving towards financial gains. You are thinking and focusing or working hard towards your financial or materialistic world. Okay, so yeah, I've got your card, King of Wands. So yeah, you'll be standing strong. There are few people who, if you are thinking about starting up business, and you want to you're thinking, there are few people in the Leo sign, fire signs, who wants to start a business. Then they can go and start a business if they want. Okay, also there is a kind of there are people who are into marriage, so a reconciliation or a reunion might be taking place with your loved ones. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, fire signs, you will be standing strong in your own ground. You will be in your own power. You won't give a fuck about anything. You will be removing all the obstacles coming into your way. You will be moving forward towards your career life, happiness. Okay, which gives you ultimate happiness. Okay, and I feel that you'll no more be giving fuck about manipulative people. You are moving away from all the toxic people, toxic energies, and moving towards your own happiness, thinking about yourself, self love, self satisfaction. Okay, yeah. And there are people who are in a separation, or there are some few of the singles into fire signs who want who wants to get into a relationship, so there might be a person waiting for you. There is a union and a reunion is taking place for you guys. So you know, when I talk about romantically, so a reunion or a reconciliation is taking place for you guys, for singles and for the people who are married or in a separation. Okay, so a reunion and a reconciliation is taking place for you guys. And I'm getting a message from the spirits. The message for you guys, for all the fire signs, for Leos, Aries and Sagittarius, is that you are good, you are happy, you are very much happy wherever you are. You want an stable, independent life for yourself. Okay, so keep on working hard towards your independent, stable life when it comes to your stability. Okay, because God is will be giving you a lot of happiness in the future and lot of abundance when it comes to financial gains for you guys. So you will be standing in your own ground, fire signs. You won't be giving fuck about anything or anyone. Okay, you will be standing in your own Paris. You will be standing in your own ground. Okay, you will be highly intuitive. You have a high intuition level. Okay, so yes guys, think about your own stability, financial gains, and keep on working towards it, because that's the message I'm getting from the spirits. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and if you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah guys, bye, thank you so much.